Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I've got an unfortunate security story about a new campaign targeting Salesforce. Let's jump into it. So on July 24th, Cisco discovered that their customer relationship management database had been compromised. And it seems it was the old standby social engineering through voice phishing or vishing that got them. Presumably, a bad guy called the Cisco help desk and was able to worm their way into some login credentials. From there, the hackers connected the Salesforce data loader app to the database and exfiltrated the data. Pretty straightforward. Now, what is interesting is that Cisco is a known user of Salesforce, and while they didn't divulge the vendor of their compromised CRM system, it seems possible that it was their Salesforce instance that was hacked. And you add that story to this one where Google says their Salesforce instance was also compromised, and they imply that the compromise was executed through voice phishing as well. So clearly some very large tech companies are being targeted, and it would seem that Salesforce instances are the primary focus. So if you're responsible for a Salesforce instance at your company, you should be aware of this threat. There are some things you can do to mitigate the risk. First, you can never reiterate to the help desk team enough just how vigilant they need to be for phishing attacks. We had the example a few weeks ago of how Cognizant gave hackers access to the Clorox internal network without any identity verification at all. So it's always good to re-examine those help desk procedures. Second, make sure you have firm controls on how app access is granted to your Salesforce environment. The key part of this attack was the data loader app connection. There are multiple ways to control that access, so you should probably verify how you're managing that. And lastly, you can use Salesforce Shield and IP-based restrictions to block access before it happens, or if certain suspicious behavior is seen. There could obviously be some inconvenience by using these tools, so you'll have to evaluate them to see if they fit your environment. But that's about it for this story. Just wanted the folks out there responsible for any Salesforce environments to know about this new and ongoing threat. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.